Tesla just killed the solar roof. There was no announcement, the product page started redirecting to solar panels, and the name quietly vanished from the menu. Installers say they were told the tiles are no longer orderable, panels only. Internally, it just never worked as a business. If you were saving up for one, that decision got made for you. Rewind to 2016, and Musk is standing on a Hollywood backlot on a street of houses borrowed from the set of Desperate Housewives. He points at roofs that look like ordinary roofs. That was the whole pitch. Solar, you can't see. Court filings later showed the tiles on those houses weren't working solar products yet. The promise was 1,000 roofs a week by the end of 2019. Cheaper, Musk said, than a new roof plus panels. Independent tracking put the real peak at somewhere between 20 and 30 a week. Over about 7 years, Tesla installed roughly 3,000 of them in the entire country. Then the prices moved. Some customers were re-quoted after they'd already signed. One went from $72,000 to $146,000. That became a class action, and Tesla settled it for $6 million. Musk called it, his own words, significant mistakes. Back in 2021, Tesla stopped publishing deployment numbers in early 2024, which was the announcement. But this isn't Tesla quitting solar. It's pushing conventional panels and Powerwalls harder than ever, with a $10 billion factory planned outside Houston. What actually died is the idea that solar has to be invisible, that you'd only put it on your house if nobody could tell. 9 years later, people are just bolting panels to the roof and not caring how it looks. The solar roof was beautiful. Almost nobody ever got one. And now nobody ever will. Tesla's roof page still loads, it points at panels. That's how a product ends. I'm the tech bard, and I'd stop waiting for the pretty one. Hit like and subscribe. This one's AI made, human checked before it went out. And if anything slipped, I'll want to know.